In today's video, 8 uses for a cutting board. Welcome to my workshop, and in today's video 8 practical uses for an IKEA cutting board. This is not a sponsored video, but thank you IKEA for a very cheap and easy solution to a very expensive material. Cheers. Use number 1, actually using the cutting board for cutting and chopping. Use number 2, resin casting molds. Since the very first one, I've made a few more. The brass in-tube mold, the wing nut easy release, easy demolding molds. I've actually made 3 of these. 2 of them are actually in the pressure pot at the moment. Use number 3, display stands. I've got another example, a single display stand, one I made this morning. Use number 4, a resin mixing pedal. Don't waste your offcuts. That little offcut came in very, very handy. Use number 5, an epoxy mixing board. Glue or resin doesn't stick to it, so it's easy to clean. Use number 6, brass tube and pen blank gluing sticks. In a previous video, I show exactly how I apply glue to the brass tube and the pen blank. Very easy to use. I'll link a video at the end of this video so that you can go and see exactly how it's done. Use 7, a table saw blade insert, and the reason why I replaced this is because of the size of the groove. A lot of offcuts, especially when you're cutting pen blanks, go missing. So let me show you what the insert looks like on the panel saw. There we go. That's the panel saw, and that's the insert. Look at the size of the groove, a lot smaller. You can cut a lot smaller things and less nonsense will actually fall into the saw and end up in your extractor fan. Use 8, washers. Once again, don't throw away your offcuts. There's 2 examples. You can cut your own washers. Plastic or nylon washers, in this case polyethylene washers, very handy. And to end off this video, I'm going to show you exactly an easy way to make your own washers. All you need is the offcut, of course, a cutting board, a flatbed, and a drill. I suppose it will be more accurate if you cut it on a drill press, but for this video I'm going to use my hand drill. I'll get you in closer so you can see exactly how I do it. Step number 1, go just a little bit more than halfway from the one side. and then do the rest from the other side. And there you go. 1 times washer. And that's how easy it is to cut a washer. Now if you've got a whole set of flat bits, you can go and cut a whole range of sizes you need. 8 practical uses using a cutting board. Now at the end of each video there's always the admin. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you would like to make a comment, let me have them in the comment section below. Hit the bell for more videos like this. If you hit the bell, you get a notification and you won't miss out on more videos like this. Now thanks for watching. Happy cutting your cutting boards. And until the next time, lekker lekker.